Hello guys, this is your crypto Payman and you're welcome once again to my channel where I talk about all things crypto. Now before I begin, I would like you people to watch this video. Just watch this video I'm about to show you now so that at the end of the day, we are going to analyze the video and we are going to learn a thing or two about how you should better handle your trades, either on the spot market or on the futures market. Now watch this video.
Guys, crypto. My dad gave me 2 million naira to start up something so that I can, start contributing since him himself is down. After we came back on from the hospital on the 25th of December, the 27th, my dad gave me that money. I bought $1,000. I put it on my Bybit account, which you can see here in the screen. I tried to trade. First day I made $200. I thought it was going to be like that. Second day I lost $200. That same day I said, okay, let me scale it up, trying to be optimistic. I lost another 300, making 500, leaving my account at 700. I stopped trading that day. I came back the next day, did my technical analysis. I entered. I think the mistake I did was I wasn't using stop loss because I just wanted to, scalp and get out of the market. The coin I was trading is called Cerebro. He wiped that account totally to $197. Right now, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to tell my father. And I don't know what to do with the $197. If I go trading it, I will lose it. So guys, please, these guys in crypto, these guys doing crypto, please, if there is any help, if there is any advice you can give me now that can help me at least get back that $1,000. If I get back to $1,000, I'll be very happy. I don't even mind not trading again, but I can't just take this loss and go. I'm going crazy. Please, anybody with good advice, please help me. Because I don't know what to tell my father again. I don't.
Okay, at the end of watching the video, what did you observe? Well, first of all, there's always a law in trading. Don't ever trade more than you can afford to lose. Now, a lot of people trade with more than they can afford to lose, and thereby they end up putting themselves in the position where they will either be frustrated or sad about losing their trade to the point that some will even think about committing suicide. Now, 1.5 million, that's a lot of money. The guy, because he traded with up to $1,000 according to what he said and according to his explanation. Now, in today's price, $1,000 multiplied by 1,500 naira would give you a whooping 1.5 million naira in loss. Now, what can we take from all of this? One, it shows that he is an inexperienced trader but chose to trade regardless of the fact that he does not know how to trade. He has not gone for any trading course. He is completely inexperienced, okay, and he chose to trade anyway. All right. Number two, we should take into account is that there's a difference between trading and gambling. And from what I've seen so far, the brother was just gambling rather than trading, thereby putting himself at risk of losing money in excess of the trading. Okay, now I always advise people, if you don't know how to trade, always start with spot trading in crypto, because as it is, when you trade in spot trading, it gives you that, like, the risk is less. The risk is not as much as when you are trading futures, okay? So it's a little bit less risky, and it will not take you unawares like that. But rather in futures trading, you need to apply what they call entry price. You need to also apply what you call stop loss, okay, your take profits. You also need to set all those things. But first of all, you need to understand them very well before you apply them. And another thing you need to note is that futures trading is basically for experienced traders. So if you're not experienced, please do not future trade. Okay, remain on spot trading. But I know a lot of people, why they don't like spot trading, they think because it's slow. Of course, it's slow for a reason. Okay, so it will give you a better time to either adjust or get out of the market when you have to. But in futures trading, everything happens very fast, and you need to study long and hard before you are good in futures trading. Other than that, do not future trade. Please do not future trade when you don't have enough experience. Okay, now if you have to future trade, if you really feel you know about futures trading and you want to trade on futures trading, of course futures trading is under the derivative market. Now what you have to do is trade only assets with high liquidity. Trade on only what? Assets with high liquidity. Example of asset with high liquidity, we have asset like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Do not trade anything more than that, because what he was trading was actually Cerebro. Okay, now I believe that that asset does not have enough liquidity. It's just low liquidity asset, and those type of asset can, and they are very risky. Okay, so it's basically for gamblers. So if you are gambling, you can go there, and yes, you can lose all your money at once. Okay, so always make sure you practice, look at the candlesticks, study technical analysis, study fundamental analysis, be well grounded before you apply futures trading. So now he has lost everything the dad gave to him to start up his life. Okay, there were certain things that he would have done differently that would have changed the situation. Assuming he learned how to future trade properly, that would have changed the situation. Unfortunately, he didn't, so it affected him. Now, on his first trade, he made some profit of $200, right? Now, what he would have done was that he would have separated the profit he made, okay, from the initial capital he used in investing for that trade. He would have taken the money out, thereby using only the $200 he got as profit to continue the trade. But he didn't. He felt, wow, so from $1,000 to $1,200, he has seen an opportunity to capitalize on the market using $1,200 now. So he lost $500. He lost the $200, thinking, okay, well, I've lost $200. No big deal. Let me still go back again, and thereby losing more. So please and please be careful. Be careful out there. If you don't know how to trade, make sure you stay in a low zone, in a lower atmosphere where the pressure will not be high on you. Stick to spot trading. Okay? Alright. So if you like this content, I would like you to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, so that you always be on the know. Alright? Till I see you next time. Bye for now.